Hi, I'm Ida, and today I'm going to show you the magic of version control in ShiftX. So here you have a regular flow in ShiftX, and here in the bottom corner left you can show and hide your version history. So this shows all the different versions ever published of this flow. So if we go back to version 1, you can see that it's a lot lighter than today's version 9, which has more steps and also ends added to it. You can also do the same scrolling here in the top. You can go to version 1 and you can go to version 9. So this gives you the full history of all the published versions of your flow. If we now open the draft to go into the editor of this flow and create a new step. So here the customer has agreed to receive our newsletter, and now we can imagine that the same customer unsubscribes from the newsletter list. The channel is going to be email. So now the step is created. We can publish a new version of this flow saying that we added step of customer unsubscribing, publish, and voila, you get a new version of the same flow. So now we have 10 versions, and going to version 1, it's pretty naked. Going to version 9, it does not have our unsubscription step, and going to the current version, version 10, has our added step. So this is version control in ShiftX.